Finding maximum area length and width for a given perimeter. To run this activity, visit jetpackmath.com and enter activity ID M0221. If a rectangle has a perimeter of 46 feet to surround a rectangular plot, what is the length and width for the greatest area? So the first thing we need to do is find out which one of these answers will give us a perimeter of 46 feet. So 11 by 11 feet, that would be 22 times 2 is 44. That won't give us a perimeter of 46. 12 plus 11 is 23, and that will give us a perimeter of 46. So that's one possible answer, is 12 by 11. 13 by 13, that's too much. And 12 by 9, that would be 21, that's too little. So the answer is 12 by 11 feet. If a rectangle has a perimeter of 22 feet to surround a rectangular plot, what is the length and width for the greatest area? So first let's find something that would result in a perimeter of 22. Looking at 6 by 5, 6 plus 5 is 11, times 2 is 22, so that's a possible answer, 6 by 5. 10 by 1 would be 11 times 2 is 22, that's another possible answer. So it could be one of the first two. The third answer is 7 by 4, and that would also result. 7 plus 4 is 11, 11 times 2 is 22, that's another possible answer. And 6 by 4, 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 times 2 is 20, so that's not a possible answer. So out of these first three answers, 6 by 5, 10 by 1, and 7 by 4, let's look at the question. It says, what is the length and width for the greatest area? And the greatest area is found when the length and width are closest together. So the 10 and the 1, we know that's not it because they're very far apart. The 7 and the 4 are also far apart by 3, but 6 and 5 are right next to each other. So that would create the largest area. You are using fencing measuring 12 meters to surround a rectangular plot. What is the length and width for the greatest area? So let's take a look at our answers and find out which ones actually fit the perimeter of 12. 3 by 3, that would be 6 times 2, so that's a possible answer. 6 by 2 would be 8 times 8, 16. That's more than 12. That's not a possible answer. 12 plus 1 is 13. 13 times 2 is 26. That's way more than 12. That's not the right answer. And this is even bigger. So our only possible answer is 3 by 3.